helping Santa get his sleigh ready for the big night. I shined it up till it sparkled, put some extra cookies in the glove compartment, and packed it full of toys. Yes, sir. Christmas Eve is almost here, and hot dog, that sleigh is gonna fly. Say, Minnie, do you hear those bells?
I do! It must be Santa's reindeer!
Gosh, that means Christmas is almost here.
Oh, I just love being one of Santa's helpers!